Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to knit crochet book cover. This is very simple. This is a basic stitch. You have to make one long rectangle and then you have to stitch from both the sides. These two pieces I made long back. Then I thought I'll make one more. So I thought I'll share with you all. You can also knit along with me. For this I'm going to use 5.5 millimeter hook along with one large size yarn. So regarding the size of the needle and the yarn, I've given the details in the description box. You can go through it. There's nothing but very simple and very basic. So for this stitch, we are going to make a slip knot. This slip knot is very easy, like how we used to make for other stitches as well. So just make a slip knot and pull it through, and then yarn over, and then you have to pull it through. This is chain stitch. Yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, again pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through. So you have to make the length of whatever book or whatever size of the book you are going to make. You have to take the measurement of that. For example, today I am going to make the book cover for this diary. So you have to take the measurement in this angle because we are going to make the rectangle starting from here, and then we are going to make it. Or else you can make it from this is very easy. Just make a long rectangle. That's it. So first we'll knit the chain. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. Yeah. So this is the measurement of the book I've taken. So till this I made a chain, and from this we have to extend. Okay. So now this is the basic chain stitch. From this we are going to make designs. So for this is a basic stitch. As I told you all, this is a basic stitch. So this is called single crochet. So now I am going to make a single crochet. Just leave one chain behind, and then from the second chain, you have to insert the needle, yarn over, pull it through. That's it. Just insert the needle, pull the yarn, pull it through. That's it. This is very easy. You have to keep repeating this. The same stitch will be followed throughout the book design. So just insert the needle, yarn over, pull it through. Insert the needle, yarn over, pull it through. Insert the needle, yarn over, pull it through. So this I'm going to make it, this line I'm going to make it approximately some 40 to 45 lines. Now let me remind you all. See, it will continue like this. This is the measurement. So this line will come this way, again this way, again this way, this way. So like that I am going to knit 45 rows. Okay. So we are just going to finish the chain. So after finishing into this last chain, you have to knit one more chain. Okay, this is added as a single crochet, and then you have to turn the yarns and then again leave one chain behind, and on the second chain the same design will repeat. Yarn over, pull it through. That's it. Yarn over, pull it through. So this is going to continue. Okay, the same lines you have to come, and till here you have to knit till here. Once you are done here, again you have to give only one single chain, then turn the yarn, again you have to knit the same zigzag way. So friends, here is the complete rectangle piece which I made. So now we are going to fold this side, and we have to stitch on the both the side the same like this. We have to stitch both the side. That's it. After that the book cover is finished. So friends, here is the final copy, the final finishing of the book cover. This is how it looks after completing this.